Hey guys, how are you? This is Aamirqavi. After struggling with IQoption, I come to know that this isn't for me and this won't work for me. I'm a kind of person who never give up easily. So I struggled and worked hard more than a year on IQoption. I tried everything. I learned all the strategies, indicators, and each and everything. Even I purchased multiple boards and softwares and signals. But at the end of the day, the result remained the same. I had nothing in the end. Let me show you my trading history on IQoption. By the way, this is practice account, but I worked more hard on practice account than my real ones. So you can see loss, profit, loss, profit, loss, profit, 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 again loss, 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 profit, loss, and my real history of my real account is not different from this one. You can see the series of profit, loss, profit, loss, profit, loss, loss. Although it seems I have more profits than loss, but at the end of the day I'm in loss overall. Keep in mind, IQoption never let you stay in profit constantly. That's clear. That's their manipulation. So after struggling more than a year with IQoption, I come to know that IQoption is really not a way for financial independence or our financial needs. So what is the solution? As I explained in detail in my previous video, this is the video you can watch. I explained in details that what is the way for financial independence in financial market. If you haven't watched, you must watch this one. This is really important one. It will lead you towards a right mindset with regards to financial markets. Well, let's come to the point. As I explained in the previous video, that the way to financial independence with the help of trading is simple and easy. You just need to have full command on only three things. What are those things?
Trading analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. That's it.
And this is all you need to master the financial markets. Of course, this isn't as easy as it looks. It takes years to learn and have a complete command on these things. But no worries, I have a solution for you for this as well. I, along with my team, have created a complete trading course including all three in detail and much more. Let me show you what includes in our course. You can see here is the course we have created after working day and night, and these are just the main topics. Each of the topic is covered in complete details and much more, and of course in a sequence that a completely newbie who does not even know ABC of the financial market could understand and could master the trading. You can see candlestick patterns, price action analysis, chart patterns, and indicators and their strategies, risk management and position sizing, trading psychology, top down analysis and results, and warm up. Let's check what is in these folders. Let's open chart patterns. So here you can see there are approximately 12 chart patterns: symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle, descending triangle, head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. Let's just open one of them. You can see how professionally these videos have been created. and examples on live charts as well. So if you want this amazing complete trading course, just contact me on the given email. So this is my personal email address.